Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to find adjacent increasing subarrays detection. So you will be given an integer array. You have to find two subarrays, length of k, which are adjacent and they are strictly increasing. Okay. So the problem statement says like you have to find you have to find two subarrays. Okay. Two subarrays. Which are strictly increasing, plus the two subarrays should be adjacent. The length should be k. Okay, so we have to find two subarrays which are strictly increasing, and the two subarrays should be adjacent, and the length should be k. For each subarray, the length should be k. Okay. Now here the k is 3, so the subarray's length should be 3. Okay, means till this we can be, and as we have to find the adjacent subarrays, so the next subarray should be the right next of the right next number, right? Now these two subarrays are adjacent subarrays and length is 3. Now we have to find if these subarrays are strictly increasing. Yeah, 5 is greater than 2, 7 is greater than 5. Okay. Then this one, okay. We got in both surveys should be strictly increasing. Okay. Now if we have a look, 9 is greater than 8, but here 2 is not greater than 9. Okay. So this is not strictly increasing surveys. We can't take it, right? Then what we will do, we'll just cut this one. Okay. Now we'll go for this one. This and this. Again, 7 is greater than 5, 8 is greater than 7. This one okay. 2 is not greater than 9, so this one is not okay. So we can't make this, we can't take this. Again, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4. 8 is greater than 7, 9 is greater than 8. This one is okay. 2 is greater than 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3. These two subarrays are strictly increasing, they are adjacent, and the length is k. So we can say we found it. So the problem says if you found, return true. If you don't find, return false. So here it will be true, right? Now if you look at this one, the length is 5. Okay, let me copy this one. So this one, so k is equal to 5. So the length should be 5 of each of each subarrays. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another one. If you have a look, 1, 2, 3 is strictly increasing, but this 2 number is not increasing. So this is not. And if this one is okay, if still one adjacent list is is not strictly increasing, it will be false. Anyway, this one is also false as well because 4 and 4. So who will return false here? That's it. Now, how can you solve this one? We can use we can use Windows here, or here what we can do, we can if we copy this. So what I prefer, like I'll start I'll run a loop for loop, and I'll start the value k is equal to, so k into 2 means 6. K is equal to 3. 3 into 2, which is 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, from here I'll start and I'll be increasing. And if I start here, I'll start from 0 first. So till 0 to k into 2, I'll compare. Okay. Then here I'll compare starting plus k, and then from starting plus k till I. So these two I'll compare and these two I'll compare. If it's not work, I'll increase the value of I and I'll increase the value of start. So it will come here and it will be comparing like this. So like this, we can solve this one. If I convert it into code, you guys can understand more. So I'll say start is 0 4 and I equal to, I'll say k into 2 into 2, and as it is 0th index, k into 2 minus 1, I less than of that size, I plus plus, the one I got. Then I can say so first half, so 4 and the and I equal to start, I less than start plus k, I plus plus, if start plus 1. Okay. If that can't be I, it should be j. Okay, so if nums of j is less than nums of previous one, j minus 1, then I'll take one more value, one more boolean value, bool is increasing equal to true. So I can say increasing is equal to false, false, nothing else. So it, then again I'll go for second one. I'll be, so it will be j equal to star plus k, j less than I, j plus plus, and it will be same. Okay, that's it. So if it is not false, I'll say if is increasing, then return true, otherwise make the increasing true again and starting value plus plus. If not there, return false. That's it. If I run my code, get true for this. Oh, it's equal. I'm just comparing with less than. It should be less than or equal. Because strictly increasing means it have to be increased. If it is equal, it's false again. Yeah. Now if I submit it, okay, getting wrong answer for this one. So if I go for the description, so quickly increasing default value is true. I'm starting k into 2 plus minus 1. Yeah. J is equal to starting plus 1. Yeah. J less than starting plus k. Yes. Oh, J, J less than or equal to I. If you go as I'm doing minus 1 here, it should go till I. Now if I run this on, mhm, the default value should be true. I'll start from k into 2 minus 1. Yeah. So in that case, I'll start from 5. Yeah, here. Should check from 4. Yeah, 3. Should be plus 1. Yeah, I should do plus 1 here because I'm comparing with j minus 1, right? And it's accepted, guys. Thank you so much.